Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification button. Happy watching! The ingredients to make this drink is very simple. It's only the lemongrass, 2 stalks, and about 10 grams of turmeric, 10 grams of ginger. I use the red ginger. If you don't have the red ginger, can use the normal ginger. And also the black peppercorn, crushed little bit, and 1.5 liters of water. Put all the ingredients inside the Thermomix bowl. Then pour the water. About 1.5 liters. I'm going to blend it. Use the blend function for 30 seconds. After blending, then we strain. Like this. We just rinse the bowl. We transfer back. And then using the kettle mode, cook for 100 degrees and will take about 7 to 8 minutes to complete. It's done. Now it transferred to the jug. And ready to serve. Enjoy!